This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have a form, now make it readable. Begin by choosing a clean template or blank form because white space matters for focus. Once done, add a 16:9 header image and pick 2 coordinating colors with the Theme tool to create visual hierarchy. Also, reorganize sections so related questions are grouped and enable the progress bar. This reduces abandonment. Finally, mark only necessary fields as required so the form looks short and intentional and encourages completion. Now polish how questions appear. Convert long open-ended prompts into multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answers to speed responses and maintain layout consistency. Once converted, use section breaks and conditional branching to show only relevant questions. This keeps each page focused. Make helper text and placeholders concise to guide answers, and align labels consistently. Start every label with a verb where appropriate. These detailed choices improve scanning and reduce visual clutter. Finish by unifying visual elements so the form feels intentional. Pick one font appearance, match the header image style to your brand, and limit accents to 1 or 2 colors for calls to action. Preview the form on both desktop and mobile. Make small spacing and image crop adjustments to avoid clip text. Test all branching and required fields end to end. If styles or scripts don't update, clear your browser cache or reload the editor. This usually resolves stale previews and missing theme changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.